Hi guys, how we doing? We are here at Land of Legends Raceway. It's maybe 4:15, 4:30. We had a big storm come through. So here's what we got in 3 and 4. They have called for the pump to try to get some of that out of there. Of course, the tough thing for us tonight is we have 3 makeup features in addition to the entire regular show to get in. So we're gonna see what happens here. Here's a look down the back stretch, and they're calling for more. So this is one of those nights you get in this sport every now and then. You can control what you're running, you can control how it reacts and things like that, but this is the part you cannot control. So I'll get that going through there one more time. But we're hopeful. It is Labor Day weekend. So we're going to crown champions tonight in every division except the modifieds. But we're going to see how that goes. So we'll get in tighter this time and show you this as it hits this area down in 3 and 4. Hope you guys are all doing okay. We looked at the radar. Looks like Oswego County's getting up something big right about now. So we're thinking about all you guys. We had to take a little time off. My father had some issues, went back in the hospital, and but we're hoping to do more stuff here. I had to give my knee a little time. I fell during the race we had after the hurricane. So it's been a tough stretch, but we're hoping that we can still finish the season strong. Make sure to subscribe, and hopefully we'll be able to have some fun here tonight in Canandaigua.